the fact that Delhi government has launched several measures to control the spread of COVID-19 cases, the second wave has forced people to share their hospital beds. Notably, the government has already converted several hotels and banquets into extended COVID-19 facilities. The Delhi government also launched an app which allows people to find out the availability of beds, ICU beds, and ICU beds without ventilators. The app has been designed to offer all information regarding the availability of the beds, but still, if you are looking for ways to use or to find out the bed, then we are listing all steps here. Now I'll tell you some steps that will help you to find out COVID beds. First, you need to install the application which is already available on the Play Store and the App Store. Then you can see the availability of COVID-19 beds and ICU beds. Besides, the app allows you to see total and occupied bed in both general and ICU wards. Now I'll tell you some other details of the Delhi Corona application. Apart from checking the status of the bed, the application allows you to check the hospital name. You're also allowed to check the status of the bed on the app. For that, you need to click on the vacant option. Then it will redirect you to the page which will show you all details of hospital, the last updated status, total and vacant section on the screen. The app also shows the contact details of hospital which allows you to call the hospital. Worth noting that the app has been divided into green, yellow and red color section. According to the application, all hospitals has been segregated in these three segments only. The yellow color means that the beds are limited, and red color means there is no bed, and green color means that beds are available. Besides, it enables you to see the all update and confirmed cases, active, recovered, health bulletin and death in India. It also shows tests conducted in Delhi, find shelter, e-pass and ration options. Apart from that, if you are looking for e-pass for essential services, you should know the entire nation is witnessing a huge spike in the spread of coronavirus. The situation is getting worse with each passing day and active cases are being reported in numbers higher than ever before. The vaccination drive is going on full swing across the country and the government has been urging the eligible masses to get vaccinated as soon as possible. But the surge in the infection spread once again called for a lockdown situation across the country. Several states have already announced night curfews and weekend lockdowns to curb the spread of coronavirus. Delhi, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, among others, are such states that are following such protocols to safeguard the public. In Delhi, the weekend curfew has been imposed starting from April 16. The government has advised the public to stay indoors and has allowed the movement for essential services only. However, an e-pass is still mandatory if you are looking for emergencies and essential service provider. For movement in Delhi, you need to apply for e-pass online via the Delhi Police portal. Open any web browser on your laptop, PC or smartphone and go for delhipolice.nic.in. Scroll down and click on the movement pass option. You will locate this option at the bottom of the second row. You will need to create your account from the next page to apply for e-pass. You can log in if you already have an account. You will need to fill in your details such as name, address, mobile number to create an account. Log into your account once completed. Now fill in the application form for the movement pass. You will also need to upload soft copies of your identity proofs such as Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, voter ID card. Once done, click on the submit button. Wait for an SMS confirming the approval of the movement pass. Once you receive it, log in back to the account and download the e-pass for the movement in Delhi. So guys, that's all from us today. Keep watching Gizbot for all tech related update and news. Thank you so much.